Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell 2000 Futures Review. My name is Martin Rhymes. Hey, I'd like to remind you, please check out hitthemarktrading.com. Check out what we do over there, and while you're there, go to the contacts page and you can sign up for weekly blog updates. When you do that, you'll see an opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. Now, this is my morning note to clients, a very brief note. We do all our homework at night with the video, but then in the morning I like to look at the charts and look at the news wires and see how it affects what we may have spoken about the night before, and especially note any markets looking like they might be great for day trading. Okay, all right, now I send this out to clients every morning. I'd like to send it out to you. Remember, everything I mentioned in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything I mention as an offer to buy or sell any futures or options on futures. Great, let's go to the charts. Okay, daily TF, and we talked about this. We had this all set up that we thought price would hit that. So, we're actually looking to see if we're going to move higher now off the moving average. This kind of a day where you just drop all the way down there and then shoot right back up, it tells you the market is too afraid to buy. They're too afraid to sell. They don't know what to do. And they're looking at the history and they're saying, gosh, well, we go to around in 3 days and then we seem to run up. We seem to go down 3 days, run up. Seem to go down 3 days, run up. Do not overthink this business, please. So I think that had a lot to do with today. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly chart. And on the weekly chart, the trend and momentum is extremely strong. So we can't even seem to break it down here to get to this bottom line here. The week's not over yet, I know that. But very strong trend and momentum. All right. What is going to be the event? What is going to drive the market? I think it's going to be Friday's employment situation report. That's what the whole world is waiting for. Okay? So, trading with trend and momentum, we would expect that move to be higher, okay? But anything can happen with the employment situation report, anything. Now let's just look at the intraday chart. Okay. Remember, I look at a 10 range bar chart. And well, we just had a glorious day here. Here's our morning rush hour run. And then all of a sudden, the president started speaking, and they got scared. And so the market fell down. Not surprising where it fell to. And then we ran right back up. So as far as day trading, it was an extremely good day. Extremely. So I'm just going to see what was just from the peak here down to this floor pivot. $1,900. This is where I ask the question, do you think you could have gotten a piece of that? Just a piece of that. Okay. And the morning move. Let's look at the morning move. Nice. 900 bucks. Okay. Now I don't have time to review how we traded with the CCI, but we had extremely good signals. Extremely good signals. All right. So that's my report to you tonight. Looking at tomorrow, let's just draw a few lines real quick. Just want to grab this line, Come here. Not you. Okay. So breaking this line is important. All right. Let me just make it a little bit bigger for us. Breaking that line is important. Now notice price is right here near the main floor pivot. And we would expect, let me get my arrow, that if we break through here, then automatically we're going to go here. Okay. But we could see a higher move only because of the shorts that have to cover. Okay. If we resume trend, if price decides to fall, then we should expect that we're going to run down here pretty easily. Okay. All right. I'll talk